If you're looking for an RV that lets you get back to the basics of camping, then this one's got you covered. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Doyle here from Premier RV out in Bluegrass, Iowa, where we give customers what they want and deserve. Got a special one for you today, standing right in front of the 2024 Starcraft Autumn Ridge. This is the 19BH floor plan. This no-slide travel trailer is lightweight and affordable and has great construction. We're going to go into some of that later. Other brands, when they're trying to strip down their models, they're going to take a bunch out, take out shelves, cabinet doors, all of that stuff. Not this one. It's got great quality, great construction at a great price. Starting in the bedroom, a peaceful retreat for rejuvenating a night's sleep. The bedroom welcomes you with a comfortable bed and ample storage space beneath, offering convenience for your travel essentials. To ensure your rest is undisturbed, pleated blackout nightshades provide privacy and a tranquil atmosphere. Moving on to the heart of the RV, we find the kitchen, where culinary adventures await. This well-appointed kitchen boasts pressed membrane countertops, a single basin undermount kitchen sink, and a residential high-rise kitchen faucet. Cooking your favorite meals on the road has never been more enjoyable or convenient. For families or friends, the bunks offer a cozy and practical space. The 19BH features 2 roomy bunks, each with a 300-pound sleeping capacity, ensuring a restful night's sleep for all. These bunks aren't just for sleeping, you can also use them as storage. They offer 200-pound storage capacity, allowing you to bring all the essentials and then some. Now taking a peek into the bathroom, where comfort and conveniences are paramount. The bathroom is equipped with a foot flush toilet and a powered bathroom vent to keep the air fresh and pleasant. Your comfort and well-being are well taken care of in this space. Let's talk about the solid construction that sets the 2024 Autumn Ridge apart. The roof of this RV is something to brag about, with reinforced crowned truss roof rafters and a 3/8 inch fully walkable roof decking. It's been strength tested to a whopping 4,500 pounds, making it up to 50% stronger than the competition. This roof is engineered to last, ensuring the integrity that's been trusted for years. Now let's talk about the walls. This one we have opted to go upgraded fiberglass sidewalls. The flooring in this RV is also something to appreciate, with 5/8 inch tongue and groove plywood floor decking. Quality materials and attachment help reduce soft, bouncy, and squeaky floors while adding structural integrity. Unlike many competitors who simply screw from the bottom of the floor, Starcraft goes the extra mile, bolting all the way through the floor and the full-width outriggers. And for those who enjoy camping in various conditions, the thermal seal enclosed, insulated, and heated underbelly, along with the fully insulated roof featuring a PVC roofing membrane, ensures your comfort and protection. No matter the weather, you're well prepared to enjoy your journey in style. In conclusion, the Starcraft Autumn Ridge is a great option if you're looking for an affordable RV that has great construction and quality. You don't care about the glitz and the glamour. You want durable. You don't want to buy campers year after year. You want one that lasts, and this one's got you covered. The 19BH is an awesome floor plan if you're looking for something simple with kids. They're going to love the bunks, and they're going to love camping. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and comment and be subscribed to the channel so you don't miss a single video. We got more 2024 videos coming your way. And we got this one on sale at a great price, so come check out our website, premierrv.com, or call the number on screen, or check us out in Bluegrass, Iowa. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you're subscribed, and as always, happy camping.